Hello everyone and welcome back to another Plan With Me. So this week I'm going to be planning out the week of November 2nd through November 8th in my vertical MakseLife planner, and let's take a look at this current week. I really didn't use this whole sidebar at all. I didn't even use my goal setting stuff in here like I wanted to. It was a heck of a week, let's just say that. And yeah, it wasn't a bad week, it wasn't a good week. There's just a lot going on and a lot of changes. So I honestly referenced my daily more than I did my weekly, but that's kind of becoming like the norm for me as we enter a very different season of life for us. So today I'm filming on Sunday, the 1st of November. So hello, November. I actually just got done being a guest on a podcast, which was super fun, and it is going to be going up later this week, so stay tuned for that. Let's go ahead and take a look at this week. Tuesday is election day, so I did pick an election day or week type kit from Cricut Paper Co. This came out a few months back, and I knew instantly that this was going to be the kit that I was going to use for the week. So it's got several sheets. The full boxes, I intend to use all of them. I know some of them say vote by mail, so it's a little late, but I'm still going to use them because I think this kit is absolutely beautiful. It's got the date covers, another full box there. It's got some checklist boxes here. I don't know that I'll necessarily use those, but I will definitely be using those half boxes. There's some smaller boxes and event labels here, along with some additional checklists and full boxes and smaller boxes and event labels there. So let's go ahead and get started on the date covers, which of course I already lost the sheet. Now these particular kits from Cricut Paper Co. don't come with the dates on them, so I normally have to write on them. And I'm going to be using the Uni pen that I get from Cloth and Paper. I really like the pens that they have in their subscription box and in their shop. And this one is an oil-based ink, and it writes really well on these vinyl types of stickers. I'm just going to put the dates on here. And even though we have already voted, I may actually go ahead and put our picture in the planner for Tuesday. Anyway, I did it the week that we actually did vote because there was actually early voting here in Georgia, but I don't see anything wrong with using the picture again, and I might put Jesse and Nathan's picture too, just because they went at different times than we did. So let me get these date covers down and my washi down at the bottom. So I've got the washi strips down for the bottom, and what I think I want to do now is actually put down the there are enough boxes where I don't have to use the vote by mail one, because that just kind of seemed like you can't vote by mail by this week, right? But there's this one, so I can use that one too for this week. Oh my gosh. All right, I think I've got it figured out, and I'm not going to line them up straight across. I think what I'm going to do is change, maybe just having them go up and down. I'm not totally sure. It's also Jesse's birthday week. There is so much happening this week. You guys have no idea. Oh my gosh. there are the boxes. I tried to put like more of the vote type ones over on the left hand side because obviously the election ends on the 3rd. Let's put the weekend sticker down. That's just gonna have to go right about there. All right, let's work on some things that are going on this week as far as videos. I think for the videos, I'm gonna use these like really cute scalloped boxes right there. So Monday is obviously the plan with me that you are watching right now. And then Wednesday is the vlog, so weekly vlog Wednesday. And then Friday is actually going to be like a sit down chit chat, life update, health update type video, just because I figured it would be better to put it all in one spot rather than scattered bits of information throughout other videos, so that there wouldn't be a lot of questions, if that makes sense. So those are going to be the 3 videos for the week. I realized for Friday's video I probably should have moved or started those boxes a little bit lower, but that is actually going to be okay. All right, so I do have to change up our, or I should say my editing nights, just because we are going to be doing some traveling this week. So I think I'm going to use these. They're not half boxes, they're like 3/4 would be much bigger, so like a 1/3 box. I don't know the official name of this box, but I really like this size box because it just takes up less space than the half box when you really don't need a lot of it taken up. And then I'm going to do one for Sunday because Sunday is also an editing night. It's also a filming day like I'm doing right now. I was really hoping to film yesterday, but it was Halloween and we just kind of had a nice, fun, relaxing Halloween, just watching movies. We had a lot of candy, like way more candy than we probably should have had. We actually ordered dinner. That was also very nice. And yeah, just kind of vegged out. But then by late that night, by the time we were done watching the movies we wanted to watch, it was like almost midnight. And I was like, I probably should just not edit. And I'm gonna move up the editing just a smidge. Let me get that right about there. And I want to grab my Once More with Love munchkins. Okay, so I love using the ones where they are at the computer. I guess I could use the pink ones. Oh, the blue ones are perfect too, because there is blue in this kit, which I feel like I can officially use these because now I have a laptop to edit. That has been interesting this week, like moving everything over to the laptop to use for editing, which is another part of my life update, the reason why I will need like a mobile editing option. So more to follow, I promise. So all right, let's see. So yes, Wednesday is payday. I almost forgot what day payday was. So let's do, oh, and there is a day that I have to film. I think on Thursday, I will have to film Friday's video, and I'll have to film it before I get on the road. So let's put that there. And then I'm pretty sure that I have something. Oh my God, I don't even know where I'm looking for stickers at. I thought that I had a filming munchkin, but I guess I could use one of these little YouTube ones because there's red on there, so it will match the kit. Oh, there's pink too on this one, holding the camera, like actually filming. I suppose that would make sense. Let's use that one. So I'll get that done and I'll be able to edit that over the weekend, or at least get it done before Friday. So Thursday night, maybe Friday morning. So that video might go up a little bit later. So we will see about that. And then later on that night, I've got to figure out how to fit in the traveling. So I grabbed this sheet from Planner Kate. It's sheet 152 that has like the little road on it. And I'm just going to put that here, but with a half box, a quarter box. I'm not even sure what I want to use. Maybe the red. Yeah, I kind of like that. Just kind of layer it over there. I'm always never sure, do I put this at the top, at the bottom? I don't know. I'll put it here. And I need to find a way to mark Jesse's birthday. Or do I want to put it in the middle? I'm like actively thinking about how I want to mark this. I think I'll put it in the middle, if that doesn't look weird. I don't actually know. Here, let's just put this down. Oh man. And I'm just gonna put drive to, oh my gosh, that is so crooked. Oh man, or maybe it's not crooked. The squiggly of the road is driving me, like I can't see it. I think I'm gonna put Jesse's birthday up there with another one of those. We'll use this one that has like the little heart next to it. All right, so there is that. Oh man, it is a hectic week. And then Sunday, I haven't even put down work meetings or payday. I am so all over the place. Welcome back to the craziness of my plan with me. There was a sticker that I grabbed from Capital Chic Designs that I also want to use for election day. And this is so cute. It is the Aura sticker and it says, "But did you vote?" on her shirt. And I love that so, so much. So I'm going to just fill up the whole part of Tuesday up there. And then I grabbed from Chrissy Ann Designs this "I voted" sticker, and I'm gonna kind of layer it over this Steve. See, I had a plan. I'm not gonna pull the picture that that we already took since we voted last week. And I'm just gonna fill that in right here because we already voted. And I think that that looks perfect. I love the way that that looks. Okay, let's get all this stuff out of the way. Let's see, on Thursday, actually on Wednesday, I need to pack. I need to pack there. I think there is a packing sticker, and it was like for one of the conventions or something. Let's see. Pack. There it is. We're going to do that on Wednesday because I'm literally going to, on Thursday, go to work in the morning because we have an award ceremony, film, and then drive. That is the plan. But we're gonna do all kinds of packing on Wednesday so that it's already done. I'm just gonna put that munchkin right in the middle. I think that's perfect. All right, so there's that. For Thursday, we will be out of town there. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then I will come back on Sunday. And I think I'm just gonna do the same thing for the driving. Oh my God, these stickers and their squiggliness, it's getting to me. And then I'll just fill in what we do Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and probably Sunday morning later on. So kind of like a little bit of memory keeping there. And let's see if I've got another one of those. I thought I had one more of those. Okay, I don't. So we will just use one of these for drive home. That will work. So we will be driving back home on Sunday, and then that'll give me plenty of time, like if I need to get groceries, all that fun stuff. That will be it. And I think I'm going to use another full box over here. I really like this one. It does have like vote by mail in that circle, but I just love the vote that it has on there. So let's put that here, and then I think that might be it. Let's do this week as a header, or to do. We'll do to do, and then this week down there. And I might actually use it. Let's see, my plan every week is to use it. Actually, you know what? I'm probably not even gonna use those habits. We're gonna be gone for a huge chunk of the week. So let's use another full box. Let's use this one. I know that it's not gonna cover the whole thing, and that's okay. But what I will do is try to cover, oh my God, I cannot. I will try to use some of these sparkly headers that came with the kit to kind of work as a frame and cover up the word habits. Do I want to use the navy or this sparkly light blue? Let's do the navy. And I'm just going to cover up the word habits and that last section of habit trackers down there at the bottom. and I think that that looks perfect for covering it up. I don't know if I want to use the checklists or not. I thought that there were more checklists. There's these full box checklists, but 2 wouldn't exactly fit, so we might just leave it alone. I'm overthinking this. Surprise. What I think I want to do is put a checklist, and then I'm going to put a box over here. There's a reason behind all of this, but I want to put a full box over here to mark the outcome, not the income. Oh my God, the outcome of the election. I'm not sure. That's going to be interesting. Let's just say that. All right, I think that that is it for this week. I know that this is going to be like a much shorter plan with me than I expected, but there's just not a lot for me to put in my planner for this week. It is election week. I hope that wherever you are, that you have either already voted early or that you have a plan to vote on election day. And wherever you are voting, I hope that you are safe and well. All right, guys, that is it for this week's Plan With Me. If you liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you're already subscribed, make sure that you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.